as directed by His Excellency the President, we have been working on the unbundling, the final unbundling. The final unbundling. There has been unbundling over the years. There has also been a transfer of functions over the years. This is the final phase of unbundling, delineation, and transfer of functions between the two levels of government. We were given deadlines by His Excellency the President during the December 18 summit to finish it within 2 months, and I can say we have finished the work. And we have actually shared with all stakeholders what is the final result of that. But there are 1 or 2 small issues between the two parties. 1 or 2, they are very small. I would say out of maybe the 540 or near so functions that we have unbundled, delineated, and so on, we don't have even 10% of them which are an issue. Therefore, we are ready to gazette the 90% plus that we have resolved. The ones which we have not resolved, the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee is going with them to the National and County Governments Coordinating Summit of His Excellency the President and the Governors with what IGRTC recommends, and we hope they will come to an agreement. Intergovernmental relations is the glue by which we realize the Constitution mantra that people have to cooperate, the two levels of government are to consult, to cooperate, and to coordinate. And also a realization that the two levels of government are distinct but interdependent.
Now,